All right, it's another lovely day, and you're still listening and watching Procyon Radio and Television. It's getting up to just past 9 o'clock, and it's time for Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk, my program where we say, when they bring things where people they talk about for the news come the program. And inside Make Them Talk, we ensure say we carry everybody along because we will bring story, put on top table, give you opportunity to trick your mouth, but either make you call our number for 0809 799 1989 or make you call the second number will be 0809 4646 206. Now the two numbers some they use for program with that, and for those who they watch us at this one, I don't see I say we display them for the on our television screen. My name now Ehis Agbon, and do not know say the program Make Them Talk. Now program will be say we get analysts we go analyze and delineate the issue proper so that people will understand that. And for Make Them Talk, we start the program by going to Truth Nigeria website. The website will be say una go discover the truth about Nigeria, and then we'll bring all the news will be the truth about Nigeria and give them to una make una read and understand that. And if una need to know more, now come go truthnigeria.com website, go look how the news be, because plenty news full there. Now 247 every day, every time. Now him na go fit they get all the story and all these things. And apart from that, we will also check inside newspaper. Now I know say Yoruba talk and say or Agbon no we cover. There's plenty word now in the inside one cover newspaper, because those days newspaper now one cover the time when you ever formulate that particular proverb. And also Hausa get the where they talk say be gaskiya tafi kobo. The truth they pass one kobo. That's the truth now in the inside newspaper, and they pass one kobo. I don't know whether Igbo get their own for that one too, but maybe Mazi will tell us within the course of the program whether another Igbo proverb about newspaper also they. And after we look at the story where they happen for newspaper, we'll come look at the major story where we see that them get Procyon well, so that we will analyze them one by one, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, so that everybody will understand that. My guest always now, Mazi, Uche Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to the program today.
Welcome to the man listen to us well, because today basket full to refuller.
All right. Maybe we don't just waste too much time. Maybe we first of all start by going to the website of Truth Nigeria. We'll go see what's they actually happen for there. The landing page of Truth Nigeria, landing page now be the place where you go open once you enter any website. The story where they there na contentious ones. The first story for the landing page of Truth Nigeria now Controversy Trail, 11 billion coastal road project launched by Nigerian government. Now remember that road project when they say from Lagos to Calabar coastal project, they say wahala don dey on top am. Go to truthnigeria.com, open am and read the details. So that story was today. The landing page of Truth Nigeria be 7 killed, 150 kidnapped as terror group expand territory in Niger. Okay, another story where you go still find for the landing page for Truth Nigeria now, opinion story will be Nigerians not demanding enough from civil, religious and political leaders. And the last story for the landing page of Truth Nigeria now, repentant terrorists coddled by government but victims of terrorism get stiffed. All of this one is story one or see there. And if you enter the website, other major stories they inside, but you just go there. Go read down the one on police will confirm 11 people where they kill for Katsina, where bandit kill for Katsina. That's police confirm 11 killed in Katsina bandit attack. We also get the one on 22-year-old Boko Haram 22-year-old Boko Haram commander among 6 who surrendered in Borno, and other plenty stories full there today. So all these ones and many more, 90 the things we say, when I go check out for Truth Nigeria, their website. From Truth Nigeria, their website, we will now go look the stories where they reign for inside the newspaper for Nigeria today. Today, we be say the 30th day of May 2024. Okay, we'll start with the first newspaper where we get to be the Nation newspaper, and inside we get the headline: Nigeria will hail thee returns as national anthem. go realize yesterday will be democracy, will be now democracy day have been hand over day even before Nigeria now. Okay, inauguration day. Well, will be 1 year inauguration day of Tinubu. Him signed the bill of Nigeria we hate. The other things so they say includes a free ride on Abuja Metro line for 6 months. Now Buhari also told that one. And NBA judges' conduct in Kano a disgrace. All this was a story for New Nigeria. From New Nigeria, we enter Vanguard, where we say we get the major story for the front page of Vanguard. We talk say 1 year in office, my government working. They talk now. President Tinubu now talk that one. Other stories for front page of Guardian include Biafra Day, Umba police move against it at home. We also get the story on Edo State Guba government. APC war over attack on voters registration center. Okay, and other story where the front page of Vanguard also include the Kano Emirship tussle where NBA films at CJN summons FHC Kano CJs over conflicting order. From that one, maybe we move down to Daily Times. So talk Daily Times, the story of Kano still there inside because that story will like say a potential story where they all over the country today because they analyze them for inside the program. CJ and someone's CJ, FHC, CJ, Kano, High Court over conflicting court order. All of those that were global unemployment will drop slightly in 2024. This one, International Labour Organization. Now then they talk that one. The next paper one we'll look today a Blueprint newspaper where Ariwola wades into Emirate crisis. Someone they shot this Kano issue. Now be like say cover all the whole newspaper today. So pick up Blueprint, you go see them, and also inside Blueprint you go see let's build Nigeria together. This one Akpabio now they talk as National Assembly they tell everybody Eyimba and 3SC crash out of Federation Corps. And the next paper one will look now Daily Trust. See talk about the Kano Emirate issue. We could pick Daily Trust go look at. And the last paper one will take this morning now the Punch. For inside Punch, we get the story we talk the first anniversary. Federal government plans supplementary budget warn against foreign aid. Okay. And for front page of the Punch and for many newspapers. Tom Polo also did there where we say they congratulate President. Now say Tom Polo company now be the Tantita Security Services Nigeria Limited. Now then we say they watch our different oil installation. They make sure say bad people don't go they bust our pipeline to find out what's in this pipeline where government don't promise them for many years. All of those are the newspaper and from the newspaper talk when we come inside the program now come pick the headlines when we want talk about proper. We will start with the first one where we'll carry from Inside Truth Nigeria. And this first headline, now controversy trail $11 billion coastal road project launched by federal government of Nigeria. And this particular story, now one of the writers for Truth Nigeria will be Ebere Nyama. Now he writes this one. He talks despite the potential benefit linked to the ongoing coastal construction of 15 trillion, that's 11 billion Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway in Nigeria, the project has generated mixed feelings among Nigerians. The highway project, which was officially flagged up by the president in Lagos on Sunday, May 26th, involved the construction of a 10-lane highway spanning approximately 700 kilometers connecting Lagos to Calabar while linking major urban centers, industrial hubs and seaports along the southern coasts. Mazi, you hear this one when they talk. How you see this talk and the kind of amount where they put out? What do you think about this coastal project, sir?
You know, say if trailer, my people, I agree to that once again. You know, if trailer they pass more bridge where barrel supposed to they pass, that bridge you know going to survive. Trailer will get load. If you climb both the trailer, both the bridge, you know, so you will collapse. $11 billion. If they give you 1 billion Nigerian naira, one, that's amount. Now amount will be say some people go, so community go see about they go find seeing that money. Community. Now we are talking $11 billion converted to naira. You go use 7 years.
Trillion.
You use 6 years. They count am. No have finish. Why this kind of thing no come up? Why controversy no come up? When money plenty, when people don't use calculator punch wetin, the digits no even fit comot because the no where go fit contain the amount in naira. I know this country dey tire me o. Okay, besides, okay, no even check am proper. Hausa man go say, in Angiara Gari, Masungari River. If you repair road well, what are people live inside the road? And then people go come for the road. Me, I know that against me. I make them do road, may fine. But the money what they call for the road.
That be the issue.
The money, this money, if your Nigerian budget na how much?
Na true be that. Nigerian brother, I think the last one will be 15 trillion, be how many trillion. So the amount of this road just passed the whole budget.
Nigerian budget, how much it be? Where we dey talk about $11 billion to do road from Lagos to Calabar. If you wan do the whole federation road, na be say here. Well, person wey dey wear cloth dey baff, make he ask himself question.
That one na correctly now you land that one. Person wey dey wear cloth baff, make him ask himself question. Because normal person no suppose wear cloth baff. Even if you wear rinko, no be cloth wey dey wear to take baff. All right. The program na make them talk and Mazi don analyze and deliquate the first talk when we get today. When we enter the second talk today, will be the Kano Emirate tussle. CJN summons FHC, the Federal High Court Chief Justice and Kano Chief Justice over conflicting orders. Like I said, that different constitution we get, but make I read the details of inside the story, make we understand what's in the inside. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, CJN Justice Olukayode Ariwola, has summoned the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Soho, and the Chief Judge of Kano State High Court, Justice DJ Aboki, to appear before him over conflicting interim injunctions regarding the Kano Emirate tussle. In the wake of the prevailing tussle over the Emirates tool, Justice Simon Amoeba of the Kano Division of the Federal High Court issued an order of eviction of Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II from the Kofa Gudu Palace, reinforcing the authority of the 15th Emir of Kano, Aminu Ado Bayero. This was shortly after Justice Amina Adamu of the High Court of Kano State had issued an injunction to protect Muhammad Sanusi and other key figures from potential harassment by state authorities. This order prevents any interference with the Emir's authority and seizure of key symbols of authority such as the twin spear, the royal hat of Dabo, and the ostrich feathered shoe. These conflicting orders have led to significant confusion regarding the rightful authority and protection of the Emir of Kano. The State High Court case is set for further hearing on June 13, while the Federal High Court has adjourned the case to June 4. All these ones, nice way they happen for Kano, and with all this way they happen now, Nigerians they ask, not be one constitution we get, not be one thing they inside, even the Kano state laws, not be one law, where one court will talk one thing, another court will talk another thing. Then say na them be learned colleague, me I don't know. Because even NBA itself not happy for this thing when they happen. Because NBA also ask the Chief Justice of the Federation, say, make them caution these judges and the lawyers where they involved. NBA also don't begin to arrange to tell their committee where they in charge of discipline, say, make them also draw the ear of this our people when we say they be lawyer, because they want begin turn us to adjust go Papa Lolo as people they take love them. Mazi, one law, two different judgments. How you see this issue?
It's indeed laughable because they say na them with the hope of common man. What they happen now? If let's for instance say I get case now, I won't take boldly. What I say justice good day. Now this thing they tell me, okay, now this one Kano. Yesterday we talk about her. Today we don't talk about her again. The only thing I go talk for this whole thing be say NBA now respected organization. The organization will be say. They respect authorities and they do things with due process. Now the CJN don't put mouth, well, I don't hope say you go do well. But Kano people, the money stop they put us, take us do 10. This morning, this one don't become Emir. Next morning, they don't have for waiting now. But the constitution of Nigeria, now one paper a day. I never see for different color, now one paper since when they born me. But this morning, we hear different thing. I just pray say the Chief Justice go do well. But lastly, person wey carry gun dey go battle wey no get bullet. Na the battle dey deceive, abi na itself dey deceive.
That one na heavy word. Out of the two of them, the one wey carry gun wey no get bullet know himself. Na them know as they go settle their issue.
Na them sabi.
All right, from that one wey we enter the next one wey be say na President Bola Ahmed Tinubu yesterday na him talk say he don approve 6 months free ride on Abuja Metro line. Make I give na small details inside. Tinubu approved 6 months free ride on Abuja Metro line. President Bola Tinubu has approved the extension of free train ride on the Abuja Rail Mass Transit, also called the Metro Rail, for the next 6 months until the end of the year. The president gave the approval during his address at the inauguration of the commencement of the operations of the Abuja Metro Rail in Abuja on Wednesday. And reports get and say FCT Minister Uche, we don earlier talk say the free train ride na 2 months. President don come, he counter and turn am to 6 months. However, the president appealed for the extension to offer hope to people of the FCT and give them reasons to celebrate. Our dear landlord and his team, as President talking, I heard you saying 2 months free ride. I appeal to you to make it till the end of the year. Since today, you are not going to charge me. That will give the people hope and reason to celebrate. Tinubu talk. You know, so the FCT minister, I they call landlord. I prefer that in landlord.
Because now you go clear road for president to come.
Yes.
You push there, now you go say not clear here, president won't pass.
How do you see this one with president?
This one sweet my belly. But therefore, the next 6 months, rise for 10,000.
You know, this rice issue.
They don't see person wey no a hungry man, angry man.
Hungry man.
Na person wey if you chop food, you go say friend dey. You get person wey dey stop for house wey dey think how wan take comot.
Yes. So even reach where
train dey na issue. Na fuel matter be my problem. Fuel, food. If these things do okay, President will give you 255%.
Wow.
Carry go.
And
oil. If they come down, you are good. But this one shall not too bad. But the thing be say, the thing wey go make it shine more like the star wey we be. Na if the food wey people go chop crash. I believe say president na gradual process. As don't they do this one now, you go still come down. Before you know, you go come down. Before you know, you go come down. Before you rice go your local government go carry rice free. I know say you go fit happen. President,
I when Mazi don talk am o, I no fit chook mouth put again o. I no wan talk say whether na true or no be true o, or whether e possible or e no possible. But Mazi don talk am, and make we see how e go go. The next one we look now the story on this Miyetti Allah president say alleged terrorism court don free Miyetti Allah president Bello Badejo. Alleged terrorism court frees Miyetti Allah president Bello Badejo. And make I read details of this particular one so that people will understand them more. It talks say the president of Miyetti Allah Katahore Alhaji Bello Badejo became a free man on Wednesday after the federal government withdrew alleged terrorism charges filed against him. The charges against Badejo were withdrawn by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, on resumption of the trial on Wednesday. And this one, now him be the cocoa of the story. No need no person go waste too much time on top this one. Upon resuming hearing, the lawyer of AGF, Aderonke Imbrana, moved an oral appeal for the withdrawal of the 3-count charge. The lawyer, forgive me, the lawyer said the application was under Section 108 of the Administration of Criminal Justice. All those are big grammar. The most important thing to say, Miyetti Allah president, they don't free him of terrorism charges. This story, I don't know the way we want to put on because me, I don't go want me to talk on top. You know why? I don't think you talk on top. You go talk something on the Kano too. no be terrorism charges they give am, they no gree leave am o. But this man now himself, na terrorism charges they leave am. Na one constitution shall we dey use. Well, make that comment, but make you see how you go dance around the this one.
Like you know, say I don't really like to talk about terrorism.
Yes.
You know my thing. I don't like to talk about them. But like I said before, anything where they go around, they always come around.
Yes.
If you carry ball, throw for wall, ball they pump, throw am for wall, the ball must come back to you. Person wey carry hand chook inside person eye, make him know say him to get eye. One hand go dey extended one day to your own eye. I drop my comment.
Okay, and as Mazi drop in comment, Nigeria will also begin the cut am needle. Nigeria will begin common catacomb for window to close shop. But before we close shop, it's very important make I remind una say una fit call this program o. The number to call our studio na 0809 799 1989 or 0809 4646206. Una also fit drop WhatsApp message for the two number when I give wey dey show for una screen. So make una no forget say our social media handle wey be Procyon RTV for YouTube o, Facebook o, TikTok o, Instagram o, Twitter o, LinkedIn o, Thread o, all dey available and e dey on top table. And we want make una go there, make una subscribe to our channel, make una follow us, make una like us, make una also drop una comment and share the things wey dey there, because make other people also benefit from the program. Make them talk. Make una don't forget to say una fit download our Procyon Radio and TV app. The Procyon Radio and TV app dey give una opportunity make una fit take the watch Procyon television and also listen to Procyon Radio. Inside the app, ProcyonNews.com still dey there. Una still fit go dey read the things wey dey ProcyonNews.com. If you be say na read, na you wan read the things wey dey there. Generally, na one-stop shop. Dem dey call am one market where you fit buy everything what you need about news and information. And of course, make una remember also say for person wey be say e hear news and listen to news, e get sense pass person wey no hear news at all, because e no go know how dey go and when things be as e suppose be. I want to thank Mazi well for say every morning they come this program, because na morning and in the night na una dey watch the program. 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the night na him be the program Make Them Talk, and we dey here every day from Monday to Friday. Weekend edition na different collection of the ones wey we do for within the week. Now you na go watch for weekend. Mazi, make I knock your hand again. Thank you very much. And I would like to thank Dominic Emmanuel wey be say na him push all the buttons wey make una fit hear us and make una fit see us. And on behalf of every other person, my name na Ehis Agbon. Like always, we go tell una make una dey shine like the star when una true be. Una bye bye yo.
Say you wan know the truth about Nigeria? Na for Truth to Nigeria, you go find am. Your ogbonge correct authentic news wey dey dilucate the matter proper. Oya, check truthnigeria.com for the true story wey matter, from government go enter international politics. Discover the truth behind the headlines. Truth to Nigeria, na where the fact dey jam body with clarity. Oya, discover the truth about Nigeria today. Just visit truthnigeria.com now.